Again, hello, welcome. Since we've already completed the first Tomb Raider game, of course, let's start this. And this is not the first time that I'm playing this game, so pero medyo hindi ko na maalala yung mga anik-anik dito, and I wasn't able to complete it the first time that I played this. So that's that. Super duper hard. I think let's just go with Survivor.
Some do not. The explorers, the seekers of truth. It is these pioneers who define the future of mankind.
The others, they're done. No amount of money's gonna get them through those mountains.
Walang subtitles.
The lost city's up there, somewhere.
That's gonna be a hell of a climb.
I'm not turning back.
She looks kind of different.
I know.
You should stay here with them.
Not a chance.
She kind of looks a bit different here. Maybe she have matured a bit. And I think that's...
Wait till you see this view, Lara. Take my hand.
Thanks.
Ang taray, kasama niya pa rin si Jonah.
Look at that.
It's amazing. But the snow coming off those peaks is a bad sign.
Ayan, napaka-mauga.
Trap.
Teka lang, walang subtitles. On with color. Ba yan ba yung parada na yan? Anong meron?
Leads up the mountain. We'll have a good view of the valley beyond from the summit.
All right. Let's take it easy here.
Grabe. Ano ba tong inaakit nila sa Everest?
This is crazy.
We just need to keep moving.
Hey, even if we don't find anything up here, your dad would be proud.
I know, but I have a good feeling about this.
I do not have a good feeling about that because I got
Shit!
You okay?
Lost
See?
my footing. I'm fine.
and what they're walking through is so freaking narrow. Ah!
That was close.
Lara, are you alright?
Jonah! I'm here!
O diba si Jonah nga?
I'll climb down there and get you.
No! It's too dangerous! I can climb back up!
Are you sure?
Just stay put!
E? Okay. Ay, ang taray, dalawa na yung axe niya. Nice. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy yung sasabihin ko. Na-distract kasi ako ng parada sa labas.
I need to jump across!
Okay. Now grab my hand.
Ah! Puti.
Got you. Shit, Lara. You're gonna give me a heart attack. Are you okay?
Yeah! Come on!
Looks like we gotta go through.
Okay, nice.
We can hole up in this cave. Do you really think we'll find this lost city?
I know this is a long shot, but that old tracker said he saw ruins up in these mountains.
Well, I guess if I was gonna hide a lost city, this might be the kind of godforsaken place I'd do it.
Agreed. Makes sense. Mahirap siyang maabot.
I just hope Trinity hasn't beaten us to it.
Storm's getting closer. We have a couple hours at most.
O ano?
Should be enough time. We're almost to the top.
Parang ang sama ng langit. Ay, ayan. May kulog. May kidlat.
What do you think?
We're close to something, Jonah. I can feel it. Just this last stretch to the top.
All right. Let's see what's up there. Feels pretty solid, but keep close to the wall.
Okay.
Ito yung pinaka nakakatakot eh. Yung ano, ganyan kaliit na daanan.
Keep your eyes open for falling ice.
Right. You ready?
Let's do it.
Ayan. Ay!
Two sides up here.
Let's take it slow and steady. Just stay with me.
Ay, shit!
Oh shit!
That was close.
Same reaction. Nakatakot yung yelo. Puro mga ano. Puro patusok. Saan ba? Pataas? Oo nga. Napaka-sturdy naman itong yelo na to. Ay.
Jonah, hold on!
Shit. I'm going to dig in. Can you make it across?
I can make it!
Ang layo!
Holy shit. I don't think I can make that jump.
Stay there! I'll anchor a line for you at the top.
All right. I'll give you some slack. Almost there, Laura. You got it.
Napakahaba naman ang ano nila. Wait, andyan agad yung bagyo? Ang bilis naman. Ang lakas ni Lara.
Jonah, we made it! I see
Ang layo
ruins.
pa rin, Dave. Ay! Putik.
Oh god.
Oh my God! Oh! Ah!
I got you. Laura, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull you back up. Oh, fuck.
Wala! Parang bibigay din yung kinakapitan niya.
Over there! Quick! Swing me to the other side!
Okay, here goes.
Hindi pa rin abot. Isa pa! Ay! Putik! Nice! Ay!
No! No! Laura, I can't hold you. The rope is slipping.
Hindi abot! Isa pa! Come on! Oh God. Naku, paano na si Jonan ito? Balik, balik!
Go back, Jonah! Get to shelter!
Oh my goodness. Grabe, may mga plane crash dito. Oh no! Ayan na yung avalanche! Ah! Oh! Tumagos tayo dun sa bato. Oh my God! Ayan naman, pagulong-gulong na naman siya. Hindi na nagsawa kakagulong. Hey yo, Chilimansi, hello! Kumusta internet ko? Sana hindi na magloko, pero so far okay naman siya. Buti nabanggit mo, no? Yan yung nakalimutan kong sabihin eh.
It is the greatest cruelty of life that we're all too swiftly taken from it. We age, we decay, we die. But what do we leave behind? Bones? Dust? What of the soul? Does it endure beyond our earthly existence? I believe it does. A truth lies at the heart of many myths and stories. A truth not of science, but something more profound. The key to unlocking everlasting life.
Sa tatay niya, bakit nag-i-sneak in siya?
But I'm not alone in this search. They're following me, watching my every step. I know them by name now. Trinity.
Ay, parang nabanggit ko ka sa ano ah. Sa first game ah.
I must proceed carefully for the sake of my family. If anything were to ever happen to Lara or Anna, I could never forgive
Ay,
myself.
yung balita na ano, na-rescue sila. Yung picture nila Sam. Shit, ngayon ko lang napansin yun ha. Ah, putik, hindi pala si Lara yun.
Oh God, I'm so sorry.
Natakot din ako dun ah.
I saw the gutter press was attacking you again. I thought you could use some company. No lies. Were you followed? Followed? Of course not. What's going on? I think I found the tube. Oh, you can't be serious. The myth of the prophet is real. Dad was right. Laura, your father was unwell. No, he was close to a great discovery, tangible evidence of the immortal soul. I loved Richard. I would have married him if he'd asked. But he was a broken man. I don't want to see you end up like him. Anna, he was right. It was everyone else who was wrong. tombs in Syria.
Ano ba to?
Syria?
Jowa ng tatay niya?
Oh God, Laura, no. This is madness. Get your life sorted. Go home to the manor. You know I can't go back there. But this obsession ruined your father. I saw something. Something I can't explain. Now I understand what Dad was going through. It's all fairy tales. Nonsense. Don't go down this road. You know where it leads. It's the only thing that makes sense to me now. I'm going to find the Prophet's tomb.
Grabe, napaka-realistic ng ano nila. Itsura at galaw nila. Ito din ba yung lalaro ni Jiro? Hindi. Yung ano, yung nilaro ko kahapon.
Hey, we're heading into a war zone now. We better be sure about this.
We're close.
Bakit ganun yung graphics?
You're wasting your time. There's nothing out here.
Just keep driving.
Sa isla, yes.
It's your money.
Something isn't right.
Oh, that's just local militia.
You told someone, didn't you?
Hala.
They paid better than you.
Ay!
Shit! They weren't supposed to shoot at us!
Get us out of here!
Shit!
Hala! Oh, arrive. At least. Dumating na naman siya ng pagulong-gulong. Ay, nako. Sa araw-araw na lang na ginawa ng Diyos, puro ka na ng pagulong-gulong, Lara. Mas latest na to. Yes. Ito na yung ano. Ah! Ayan na naman. Nahuhulog na naman siya. Ah! Laglag na naman si Inday. Oh, mas latest na to. Ano na to?
No turning back.
After na to ma-rescue nila sa ano, sa isla. Kasama niya pa rin yung isa niyang friend na malaki. Si Jonah. Signature move niya. Oo nga eh. Signature move niya yung gumulong-gulong tas malaglag.
There was something in Dad's research about this.
It was said the Prophet's tomb was hidden in the cliffs above one of the forgotten cities. Legend speaks of an oasis where the Prophet was laid to rest.
Ah, cute pa rin yung survival instincts dito. Okay. Nice. Oh, shoot. Saan tayo dadaan? Dito? Lah. Abot ba yan? O nga no. Grabe. Climbers talaga si Lara.
Something's here. Could this really be it?
Dilim. Ilaw, te. Yan.
Incredible. Some kind of marker. Can't quite make out the translation. But this word. Prophet. This is it. Dad was right.
Ayan. Anong The Lost Tomb? Okay.
Okay. he's shown here performing healing miracles. Dad's notes mention this.
Para siyang yung art sa Bible, no?
These are the miracles of the Prophet of Constantinople, unjustly murdered by order of Trinity.
Ay, pabalik na pala to. Saan pa ba?
It's some sort of marker. Byzantine script, but I can't quite make it out.
Saan setting nito? Ngayon nasa Syria siya. Paiba-iba siya ng lugar eh.
He led his followers through the desert to the oasis.
Still no sign of her. I don't think she's survived
Hala.
the crash.
Constantine wants to breach the tomb before sundown.
They're after the tomb. I've got to find it before them.
Ako, andyan na yung kalaban mo.
It's the Prophet, speaking with a foreign army. He convinced them to lay down their weapons. My Greek is still a little rusty, but it's pointing to something hidden nearby. I'll mark down the locations.
Okay. Ba't kanina sa flashback niya may art na parang traditional Japanese yung style? Ah, oo. Kasama yun ng research yung tatay niya. Kasi, parang part din yun nung ano eh. Yung sinasaliksik ng tatay niya, yung sa ano, sa isla na napuntahan nila. Parang, may nangyari kasi sa tatay niya, tapos tinutuloy niya yung research niya. Tinutuloy ni Lara yung research ng tatay niya. Parang gano'n. Yun ba yung nakuha ko? Coin cash? O nga, no? Okay, dito na tayo dumako. Parang may ano, parang may humahabol sa tatay niya. Ancient civilization. Oo, parang ganun. Ay, lang ganda.
It's amazing. Only Dad could have seen this.
Oh no, andyan na sila. Or baka yun yung ano, helicopter na tumira sa kanila kanina. Ay! Nice. Pero ang alam ko,
Trinity pursued the Prophet and his people relentlessly until finally confronting them in their hidden oasis.
ayun,
A way through.
hinahanap ata nila yung ano, yung prophet. Or yung ano, hindi ko na masyadong maalala yung story nito eh. Takteng yan.
Damn it.
Saka pa naubos. Ay! Grabe naman yan, nakakatakot. Pero alakdan. Makamandag yun ah.
There was a battle here. Armed soldiers against religious pilgrims. The Order
Gift of
Trinity.
alms. Alms, alms, alms. Spare me a piece of bread.
My son.
Masarap igisa. Yung alin? Yung mga alakdan?
The prophet slain by the Order of Trinity.
Masarap talaga yun, yung mga ano, mga rare insects, ganon. Masarap dahil yun, pero no thanks. Pero sa totoo lang, ano, hindi naman alakdan, pero parang nakatikim na ako dati ng ano, ng, ano nito? Langgam. Ginisang langgam. Takting yun. Parang ano, parang wala lang yung lasa niya. Gisado lang. Antik. Ewan ko kung antik yun eh, pero langgam eh. Anong lasa? For the invention, mga ninuno natin kasi. Oo nga eh. Kung ano-ano niluluto eh, no? Pero ano? You know, for the sake of survival. Teka, saan na ba tayo pupunta? Ay!
Damn it. That was too close.
Kinulat naman ako nun.
They're blasting their way in.
Sabi na eh, binubomba na nila eh. Ay, putik. Okay, paano tayo nito?
Let's hope this works.
And it did. Alright, nice. Pwede natin akyatin to. Ay, putik. Ay na naman, natrap na naman siya. Hala! See? Uy, Ate Juri, hello! Let's go! Eto na, nilalaro ko na yung sequel niya. Nakasando pala. Halos same outfit in note eh. Ayan o. Pero naka-fitted na siya na pantalon. Ay, opak, ang ganda.
Stunning. We made it, Dad.
Asa naman ang babaeng nakasando? Sa Syria. Nasa Syria siya ngayon. Nagtatampo. Charot. Sa isang lupalop to nagpupunta si Inday eh. Meron siyang tinutuloy niya yung research ng tatay niya.
Maybe I can use the water.
Ay, nice. Pwede pala akyatin to. Kala ko ano lang talaga sa shelves. Ganon. Tama ba itong dinadaanan natin, Lara? Ay. Okay, nice. Wait, BRB. BRB Welte. Yan.
My lord, what you say
Death
is
of the
impossible.
Prophet.
I myself drove a spear into the prophet's heart. I saw him die.
Doubtless his people have propped another man up in the slain prophet's robe to continue his lies. They're broken, discreet, and exiled. We will head south and put the rest of his people to the sword. But the prophet is dead. This I swear. They killed the prophet? Who killed the prophet? Why did they kill the prophet? Okay, mangolekta muna tayo ng mga anik-anik. Mamumulot muna tayo. Yes po. Ay, ayun. Ay. Yan, sige, hukayin mo. Ayan. And then, sana tayo nito? Ay, may challenge. Side quests are back. And we're gonna go complete them as usual. Completionist mode on. Mukhang babagsak to ah. Nice.
They're almost inside.
Ay! Ano ba yan? Pistol yung starting weapon niya, no? Wala yung pana niya, tsaka palaso. Ba yan? Mas gusto ko yung pana at palaso. Ayan na naman! Ah, shit! Alright, another puzzle.
Raise the water.
My lord, I ride at the...
We have located the tomb of the prophet. We were attacked by madmen up the road, wearing the prophet's livery, but they were easily bested. The prophet escaped death, or whether another now wears his mantle, it does not matter. All will perish inside. Sino kayang humahabol sa ano? Sa prophet tsaka yung tribo niya. Uy, welcome back, te. Ay, maglalaro ka ba nung ano? Tomb Raider ngayon, te? Uy, talon! Ba't hindi ka tumalon, te? Ayan, medyo umangat yung tubig. Yes, ay, nice! Sige, go. Papanoorin natin yan after ko nito. Mamaya sa stream. Yes! Let's see you struggle too. Ah! Charot! Hard mode agad, te, ha? Charot lang. Ba't ang weird ang itsura ng tubig? Saan tayo pupunta nito? Tutungtungan ko ba to? 'Di ba? Parang ano, parang solid siya. Yung bumuhos siya parang solid. Parang buo. Mag-live ka rin Genshin, ulitin mo yung Abyss. Ay, Abyss well, Chili. Good luck, good luck. Galingan mo dyan sa Abyss na yan. Grabe yung ano pala kagabi. Saglit lang pala yung interlude quest, no? As in, saglit na saglit lang. Parang ang bilis ko lang natapos kagabi. Tapos yung matagal yung quest ni Chaska. Inabot ako ng alas 6. Parang nag-start din ata ako nun mga 3:30 or magpo-4 na ganun. Pero dahil dun nakaipon ako ng ano, nakaipon ako ng 10 pulls. Tapos nakuha ko na si Aurora. Oh my God! Meron na rin ako. Haha, kala nyo ha. May Chaska na ako. Meron pang ano. Nang inggit. Inggitin ko rin kayo. Yan na. Tsara. Ngayon problema ko na lang pera. Yung mora. Wala na akong mora. Wala na akong maibibuild. Bili na BP. Wala, minamax ko muna yung BP bago i-bilhin eh. Para pagka-claim ng isang beses eh maraming pera agad yung ano. Grabe naman yung tubig na yan. Ayan. Lah. Ayan, abot na natin ang tagumpay.
Found you.
Yan na yung tomb ng prophet. Bakit walang laman?
No. No. What his name is?
Wala, yan na. Grabe yung pinagdaanan ni Lara. Maabot lang yan. Tas sila nagrapel lang sa ano eh. Sa lubid eh, no?
Prophets too. After all this time. And the artifact inside. God willing.
Mas goods ang graphics yan. Talaga, te? Ano ba? Mas realistic? Or mas ano? Mas enhanced lang?
Carefully. It could be extremely dangerous.
Gagi.
Who the hell
Doon pala siya nagtago.
You're a smart woman. I suspect you already know.
Trinity.
Where is the artifact?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't play games with me. You led us to this place.
Look. It was empty when I got here. There was no body and definitely no artifact.
Gagi. Inagaw niya.
Get down!
Hindi madilim. Ah, o nga no. Hindi masyado madilim. Ah, putik. Ah, putik! Bakit ako tumigil doon? Nalaglag tuloy siya. Ilulot ko sana yung kalaban eh. Kala ko pwedeng iloot. Ah! Bakit letter C? Yung sprint, hindi shift. Ang hirap pindutin, te. Oh my god. Wala.
What's this?
Parang wala siyang napala dyan ah. Hindi niya nahanap yung nahanap niya.
Jonah!
Lara,
There's so much I need to tell you. I don't...
Eto Teo, kasama niya pa rin yung friend niya.
Yes, but I was followed.
what? By who?
They call themselves Trinity. They tried to kill me.
What the hell is going on here? You're starting to scare me.
The tomb was empty, but I think they were looking for the divine source.
The artifact my father was after?
There's more. I found this symbol in the tomb. I knew I'd seen it before. It was driving me insane. That's when it hit me. I saw it here, in one of Dad's books. Listen to this. The lost city of Kitesh, said to have disappeared in Siberia sometime in the 12th century. Legend says that on the eve of the invasion by the Mongol horde, it sunk beneath a lake.
What does this have to do with the Prophet's artifact?
The same symbol.
Lara,
If the divine source is hidden in the ruins of Kitesh, waiting to be found, then I have to go.
to Siberia? Are you kidding me?
Just think. If this thing could really unlock the secret of immortality, it would change everything. Sickness, suffering, death, gone.
Are you listening to yourself?
Jonah, we've been through so much together. You know there's more out there. This could be real.
I don't care if it's real. I've lost too many friends. I don't want to lose you too.
Dad never made the connection to Kitesh. He gave up everything for this.
Including you. Stop blaming yourself for what happened. He made his own bed.
I can't give up on him. Not now. It's all I have.
No, it isn't! If you stayed still for 5 minutes, maybe you'd see that.
Parang ayaw siya samahan ni Jonah.
Jonah?
Ay, putik. That's not Jonah. Ay! Ay, putik.
Lara! Holy shit!
Tulong!
The book.
You can't stop us! Shit, Laura. What are we gonna do?
I led them to it, Jonah.
Gagi.
If the divine source is real, we've got to find it first.
Siberia it is then.
Ayan, may rason na siya para tulungan si Lara.